we are back. Let's see. Live. Alright. Live chat. Alright. We are back. Let's see. What do we do? I guess let's make the first next bot. Cause why not? It's the top fans button. Let's see. Next bots. Hello! I'm just working on a map, or a game, not really a map. Well, I already made the map. Whatever. It's gonna be a next bots game. Let's see, what should be the first next bot? Should it be me? That could be cool. Let's just make the basic next bot. Would want a quad. Would want an unlit material. Both. So probably just front, and then we can have two quads. Duplicate this. Spin around. Alright, now we can actually look for next bot. Let's see. I have the perfect one. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. About to be so peak. This one's like weirdly upscaled. See if hey, I'm just gonna use this one. Dot two dot it. It's okay, give me just 1 second. I gotta convert this to a PNG. Okay, imported. There we go. Boop. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle. Whoa. And we need the Quandale Dingle audio. Quandale Dingle. YouTube. Is this what I'm looking for?
No! Stop!
No, probably not. I apologize. Well, let me I'm gonna mute my desktop audio real quick. Oh, I'm still in Blender. I need to be in freaking Unity, not Blender. Unity. There we go. It's in Blender the entire time. My bad. Let's see. I'm gonna turn off desktop audio just so you guys can actually not get your ears blown out. Okay, I think I found it. found it. Just gotta download it. Yeah. Add my difficulty back. Download. And import. Now we're gonna put this in a special nextbot object. Okay. Quandale. Quaddale. Quaddale. Quad. Get it? Quaddale? Quandale? Quaddale? Quaddale? Eh. Audio source. Next. Audio. Under Quandale. 0, 0, 0. Let's make 0, all this stuff. I also need to scale this up to 2. Beautiful. What's up, guys? It's Quandale here. Drag this up here, make it 3D. Minimum of like 5, a maximum of like, what, 20? Is 20 good? Yeah, 20 is pretty sizable. Maybe even 10. Nah, 20. That's good. Maybe we can even increase this to 8. There we go. Just downloaded off of YouTube, so but the YouTube title is the name. So now I need to actually make the network game. It's gonna be fun, to say the least. Actually, let me just copy the name of this. Let's see, Control V. I did spell it incorrectly. Oh, it's Quandale. Got it. Scan gliders. Oh, this needs to be parent. Next bot visual. And we can put the billboard script on this so it kind of faces the player. So now it's actually let's just add the audio source to Quandale itself. Ease, copy component, delete Quandale, paste component is new. Okay, there we go. Much better, more clean. And we can also add a box collider. 222. So that's a trigger. We need to make a new layer the player can't collide with. Just to make sure everything works properly with the physics and stuff. Settings, collision matrix. Oh yeah, we also need a player, and we're also going to do hand tag, because why not? I'm just going to make it a hand. Now we're going to go here. Our physics settings. So player and hand cannot interact with trigger. Ooh. And then now we just set in the fusion player, sets player to player. Yep. And then set our hands to end. Subject only. While we're at it, let's also add Sphere Collider. 0, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. 2 people watching. One of them might be my phone. So that's what I'm using to look at chat. Okay. So I've gone down. Let's put them in resources in our next box. Gone down. Now I think we should make a few more. Let's make Obama. Obama. Let's Obama. Now I gotta go look for Obama. Obama on Google Images. This could be really funny. Hold on. Another freaking weird thing I have to convert. I could say ass. Freaking the Clondale audio. So a lot of words. Download it. I did. Cool. Give me. I am on the right tab, right? Just like. Hello. Unity is so slow sometimes. No. Just gonna finish loading. Apparently not. Apparently it's not going to. It's been compiling the scripts for 50 seconds now. Now I'm in it. Finally, it's done. Almost done. Reloading the domain expansion. Alright, there we go. Hello? Hello? Here we go. Obama. He's squished. It works. I gotta go find the, Obama beat doc. Oh, move, Audrinth! I didn't click on you! Obama. I type in Obama, it's just Obama have day at the. You know, let's use that instead. I need like a very short clip. Obama have this song 10 hours. Alright. Now let's just make it loop this like 50 times. Hello? I didn't full screen it. Convert more. Nah, let's do the beatbox. Obama beatbox.
This is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of. Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of. Yeah.
No,
Wait, what?
Obama, you're doing it wrong. You gotta do it like this.
What the fuck? Okay, I need to cut that part out. guess I used sketchy websites. Like, download YouTube to MP3 free.
Hello, this is your former.
No, Obama.
Oh, yeah. No. Hello, this is your. Hello, this is your. Hello, this is your. Hello, this is your formal. Hello, this is your.
Okay, I got it. Download Brownie. Okay. Obama. 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 View an Obama. Obama. I don't know what's. Why? What? Okay. So now we have Obama and Quandale. Why? Yeah. It'd be correct. Now we need to actually give them AI and like make them move around and chase you around. So. Yeah. Yeah! Review angles of these? Of course not. Why would I be able to? Alright, well. Let's get coding. Should be pretty easy. By coding, I mean asking ChatGPT to do it for me because I'm way too lazy right now. Is where? There it is. Let's see. Okay. So. Is that? That's the image of a white border. It's like a half pixel white border. That's weird. You know, this could probably compress this image a little bit. Without really any loss. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Same with you, Obama. You become 256 too. Bye-bye quality. We also made it pixelated. Pixelated Obama. No, let's do collinear. Bilinear? Bilinear? Blue in-ear? I don't know. Same, but different. In the meantime, I don't know what to do. Probably the death system, but that requires a script. Could probably put that up pretty darn easy. Oh. I guess we're compiling scripts now. Okay. Are we... Yep. Okay, cool. Hello! Thank you. Nextbots. Quandale. Nextbot visual. Billboard. Obama. Nextbot visual. Billboard. Wait, what? There was... Come on, bro. There was already scripts for this. The worst feeling. You made something. Well, I didn't really make it, but when you have something made and then there's already stuff for it, I'm still gonna use it. That's not gonna stop me, but no, it's annoying. So we got the billboard. On books, Quandale and Obama. We're going to add. What was it? Chase? Local player nav mesh chaser. That is a fire name! Repath interval 0.1. Corporate authority to move, yep. Yeah, that should be good. Alright. Next target distance. Okay, and then we just do a network object and a fusion network transform. Why is AC mark open? 6 scale sync parents. Okay, area of interest over. Alright, that's auto. I don't think I need that. Why is it so laggy all of a sudden? That was weird. Okay, so now this should all be networked. Should be fine. I'm pretty sure Photon is in shared mode. Fusion Hub. Pretty sure it is. Whatever. Fusion project settings, here we are. Peer mode, single. And debug with multiple peers? That's nice. Lag compensation. Player count. Simulation. $100. client to create. Should be fine. Connection timeout. Let's do I wanna do like 60 seconds, because like when you're taking off your VR to go get water or something, you don't want to be disconnected. Enable host migration. Let's host migration. Network conditions. Okay, whatever. Unapplied this. Okay. Nah, single for now. Okay. So we have the next bots. We got the players. Now we just need the death. I do want to add multiple spawn points. Create a new object called spawn points. Another one under that. Spawn. So it's 0, 0, 0. Should we get some music? I feel like we should get some music. Let's see. Chill music. No. I clicked off of it. Why is it still playing? I clicked off of it. This shouldn't... This sounds like AI. Good vibes. All of these suck. It's probably really loud. Something like that. There we go. Is that good? The one person watching, is that good? I think it'll be fine. If I just increase my mic volume a little bit. Okay. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. I don't want to hear it though. It's kind of annoying. Do we keep it? The moment I hear somebody complaining about it, I'm turning it off immediately. Let's see. Right, death. Need to add death to the game. Oh wait, we don't need the freaking hand layer. We really don't. We just need the player layer. Player layer, player layer, layer player. Player layer, layer player. Anyway. Low-key relaxing? W music? Compiling scripts. Should I, let's see. Do this? Nah, that's kinda cringe. I'm just gonna add, like, some, like, relaxing background or something to this, like, back of the stream. So it's not just a black void, but... No. Expose. Why is it a type mismatch? Just use a transform. Hold on. Hold on. How many errors is that gonna make? But the music stopped the moment okay. The music stopped at the moment the error popped up. Kinda funny. Let me lower the quality on this video. Hello? I just lowered the quality, why are you buffering? Cannot convert type. You already had to transform. We just do let's see. Objects to toggle. Is that Obama? Yes, that is Obama. It's going to be a next spot. Is the music too loud? Is it too quiet? Like, is it, like... What is it? Don't even hear music? Okay, so yeah, then it's... Okay, do you hear it now? Is this better? Alright, cool. Find it a bit loud. But, that's fine. No, no, no. Yeah. So big. Okay. Object to toggle. Hello? Map objects. Type mismatch. Fuck. Coding is kind of boring for you guys, isn't it? Can't even see what I'm doing. Add the Mona Lisa to the rest of your message is being covered by the stupid heart button. I'm guessing you're just gonna say to the game. And no! This is not the Bean Runner series. The Bean... yeah, it's the Bean Runner series. Was it the Bean Runner series? I think it was the Bean Runner series. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the Bean Runner series. Just add whatever you want. Some guy added Socrates. Bean is so big. Thanks. I'm assuming you're talking about my little character in on the bottom. Here. Objects that toggle. Map effects. Hello? Type mismatch. Why is it type mismatch? Oh, I'm stupid. Should fix our issue, potentially, maybe. I don't know. Do you have access to your VR right now? Because I'm pretty sure I have you added on Meta. Okay, I kind of want to go on a side quest. So I just got an idea. Okay. Should fix it. What's the type of music you'd see in a freaking kids Disney movie? Where, like, it was, like, happily ever after. Like, Okay, and it heard me and got offended, apparently. Cool. So I should just be able to check this death trigger. Now it's back. Spawn points, object, teleport. Pretty sure it's Gorilla Player, right? Yeah, it's Gorilla Player. Okay. That should be good. We should have Diath in the game now, with a simple teleporting system. So let's make Quandale spawn right here. And Obama spawn right here. And then the players will spawn in the middle. Now we have to actually set the spawn points. So let's just quickly do that. I see. Okay. Okay. 9 spawn points is fine, I think. Okay. That should be all good. Let's test it out. Bleh. Oh, they're going. They're moving. They're moving. Let's take the player. Bring him to Quandale. We need to bring the Gorilla Rig and not the... Turn off snapping. Let's just make Obama Gillis. Didn't even teleport us. few things. Is the music loud? I kind of feel like the music's loud. Let me, let's make it deep. Let's do this. I just don't want to hear it, but I also want to be able to hear myself think. There we go. Win-win. Thing is, I want to listen to my own music. Okay. Don't really know how to make it so I can listen to my own music, but whatever. I can live with it. Xbox. Speed. We'll do 8. And we can set the max speed on the player to 8. Actually, 8.5. Because probably gonna fall behind. Jump multiplier, let's make that 0.25. Yeah. Seems fine. Alright, let's try this out. Hopefully, it should be a lot more menacing. You should be scared to come near the Xbox. They shouldn't be a mild inconvenience. Oh, they are booking it. My definition of booking it. Doesn't even feel like 8 meters per second. So why does it go so slow around corners?
My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen and I died. Hey fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink, and he went to bed for a really long time.
Okay. It's not teleporting. I do need to fix the next bots real quick. Next bot visual needs to be 1 in the air. Same with Glendale. There are 3 people. Oh my god. I mean, well, 2 people. Because watching this on my phone. See chat. Okay. Let's see if this works any better. I don't know why they go so slow around corners. Definitely need to fix that. We should just be completely still until I connect to a lobby, and then, yeah, there we go. I'll snap into action. Forget which one made it to me first. I think it was... Pretty sure it was Kondo.
My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen and I died. Hey fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink.
It worked! It worked! We're over here now! Yay!
Prison guard's head. My goofy off friend Jamarius Quangledangle tried to eat my butt during ramen.
Oh, it doesn't loop. That's why they're so silent. Need to make it loop. There we go. Looping. Okay, so technically we have the game. The game is basically finished. I just need to make sure there's voice chat, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't have voice chat. How the fuck do we add voice chat? Hello? Hello? Just minimized everything. Good. We're back. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I have Photon Voice on here. Let's see. Photon Voice. Yeah, right here. So... Alright, need to make an app ID. Oh, you can't even see the fields, so we're good. Photon dashboard. Hello? Apps. Development. Let's use, voice. Voice. Controls. Okay. It's on my clipboard. Pretty sure you can't see the fields. Yeah, you can't see the fields. Some rad music. It's like space music. It's weird. Should I change the music? I don't know. Tired. voice app ID. Okay, that should be good to go. I have to compile though. Come on. Okay. Okay. That should be good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Should be proximity chat. Now I need to actually test it out, which is gonna be an issue. Alright, Obama in ceiling. Oh, hold on, I do need to fix that real quick. Hotspots. You. Up by 1. And we also need to include layers player. Ignore layers everything except player. Alright, cool. Fixed. Rebecca is right there, so I'm gonna remove that for now. Let's switch to... Oh, Android is already active. Cool. We're gonna go... Builds. We're gonna go... Be 0.0.1. Enter. I'm gonna do that side quest I was talking about earlier.
Halt, traveler.
Good morning.
Welcome back to the...
The old house stood at the edge of the...
You don't just want...
I'm trying to find a good voice.
Welcome...
Let's practice our...
more. It its windows dark, save for a single.
Welcome to. You want a sanctuary? The pass is sealed by order of the council.
Sunny.
Sunny. Oh, there's 2 people. Hello, I'm making a thing because I'm waiting for this to build. So I'm just making a thing that like speaks YouTube. Oh, and they're all gone. Right.
Repeat after.
Let's see. Can I choose a voice? Oh, I can't. Got it. Let's see.
What idea do you want to bring to life? What idea do you want to bring to life?
Ready to make something.
Ready to build something awesome today?
I think I like this guy. We use hold on. Let's grab an API key. Create API key. YouTube text speech. Create. Audio. Sky. Gemini 3.1 Flash GTS preview. Gemini 3.1 Flash preview. Okay. I'm side questing. Hello, please don't leave. Please don't leave. I need to test out this, I'm working on a thing where, it'll speak YouTube messages out loud so I can hear them. And I don't have to constantly look at chat. And, I kinda need somebody to send those chat messages. So, if you could stick around for a little bit, that'd be nice. Just working on it right now. It's the side quest I'm on. Yes, thank you. Still working on it. Just give me a second. Oh, and they left. Wonderful. Oh, wait, you're still here. It says there's only 1 person watching. I assumed that was my phone, but I guess there was always 1 person lurking. Yeah, I'm setting it up right now, just give me a second. It's glitching YouTube. Eh. It's weird. What have they maybe had for 2 years? I don't think YouTube Shorts Live has been around for 2 years, has it? I don't know. I always say you have less people than you do. I mean, that's better than saying you have more people than you do. So ready? Or it's taking a little bit. Just give me a second. I'm sorry. Here for now. Well, I can't. So the reason I'm doing this is because I just got my game into a potentially working state, and so now I'm trying to build to like actually test it out on my headset. Give it a try to make. It's gonna be like a kind of an arcade runaway from monsters kind of game, because I've been making things like social platforms and like super complex stuff that for a really long time, and I just haven't really made like a game. I've always like made platforms and stuff, so I just want to like try to... Platform is like a UGC platform, like Roblox or something, but I haven't really made a game in a while, so I want to try to make one. And what better of a game than a little runaway game that you can play in VR with your friends, so that's the idea. One game called Night Gorillas, where there's tag mode and stuff. Yeah, sounds like a Gorilla Tag ripoff. What is this music? Like, is. You know? Nope. Is. Not even gorillas? Then why is it called Night Gorillas? Why is it humans? That's even worse! Yeah, in my game, you wanna know what you are? You are a sphere with a cube attached to you. Peak player model. It's temporary, obviously, but you get the point. Make me a special one? I don't know. I haven't really gotten cosmetics to work, but I'll probably look through all my live streams. If I ever play Make Me a Dinosaur. Yeah, do you have a VR? Because if you do, you could potentially test it out with me. Nice MetaQuest, because that's what I'm building with. Nice, okay, yeah, that's perfect. Troll on VR chat. Nice. I don't really like VR chat because it's just full of weirdos, but I get just hopping in a private server with your friends and exploring a bit. I usually played Rec Room when it was a thing, and then now I moved to Vanadium, which is a Rec Room clone. Have you read The Pedestrian? No. I don't really read books a lot. It's a short story. No clue. Is. Peak music, bro. Okay, I want to find a different thing of music, because is not very, Ooh, the entire Rec Room soundtrack, 4 hours long. Don't mind if I do! Wait, it has 87 subscribers! Nice. It's perfect. I'm not gonna subscribe. Let's just leave this on in the background, I guess. And of course it stops. Hello?! Okay. Alright, it should be working. Let me check. Join the fun for free. What, text-to-speech? I'm just using, Google Gemini text-to-speech. It works, so. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yes. .inv. YouTube video ID. I need my YouTube video ID. What is... Hold on, I think I gotta pull it up on my PC. Here we are. I think this is my YouTube video ID. I can hear myself. My mic sucks. My YouTube live video ID. Then I need my Google API key. Where is my Google API key? I found my Google API key. Is this my Google API key? I have no idea, but at the exact same time, yeah, wait, it is. My Google API key. Yeah. I don't want core, I want, Illustrator 2 core for testing. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna run it. Also need mod to, you know, do that stuff. You want moderator? Yeah. Fine. Add as moderator. Standard moderator. Yay, you're a moderator now. Are you happy? Let me see. Yeah. You got the funny badge. Yay! You're like your profile picture right now. How do I accept text-to-speech? Oh, you don't have to. It should just start when it starts. So just wait a second. Don't send any messages yet. I'll tell you when to send one. This is a lot better than random. Yeah, I should probably add a filter, huh? Okay, it's gonna start any second. Oh, it's failing on auth. It's not authorized. It's still building, by the way. It's been building for 16 minutes, almost 17 now. The first build of any game takes so long. It's crazy. This is why you need side quests like this. Or else you go insane. Yeah, I might just play the Rec Room soundtrack for all the backrooms of my stream. No, the background music of my streams, because it definitely works. Play microwave 4 hours. Okay, let me bookmark this first. I'm gonna delete this. Okay. For microwave 4 hours. 4-hour microwave sounds with black screen to help sleep at night, study, focus, relax, meditate. This doesn't even microwave 10 hours of microwave sounds. Doesn't even sound like a microwave. We need quality microwave sounds. This is perfect. 10-hour microwave. You really want me to play Matrix? The Verity music? No. If you want to listen to that, you can scroll on YouTube Shorts for like 5 seconds. You not like Verity? Come on, how can you not like Verity? That's so peak. Hi, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything. Sure, its acting is terrible, but like... So, Captain Glurt Funk? You misspelled funk there. Or funk. Whichever one you were trying to spell. Technically, that is, like, saying it out loud, that is correct, because PH makes it sound as F, but nerd emoji. Are you enjoying your 10 hours of microwave soundtrack? It's still building, by the way. It's been building for 20 minutes and 8 seconds. Like, bruh. For reference, like, builds normally take about, what's a good estimate? 45 seconds? Should, like, I don't know, low-key play I'm a Chud 7-hour loop. It's so low quality. Hold on, we need to,
That little chud, why would I get a job when I can live with my mom? I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud. I got nothing to do, so I go to Fuda. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud. I can't see my own meat, fill my stomach with treats. I'm a chud, I guess it's true. I run Discord and not ready to. I'm a chud, don't you forget it. Mess with my kitten and I'm going to Reddit. Oh, I'm a chud, I'm a chud.
I'm a fat little chud, playing League all day until the sun comes up. I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud. Why would I get a job when I could live with my mom? I'm a chud, I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud. Alright, that's enough. Back to the Rec Room soundtrack. In all its glory. Okay. You cannot diss the Rec Room soundtrack. No! No angry face! No angry face. This is the Rec Room soundtrack. You can't be mad at the Rec Room soundtrack. It's so peak. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do. It can't be devious-sided either. That was so funny, I forgot to laugh. Okay, let's see. Huh? Let's skip to the Jumbotron soundtrack. Is this Crimson Cauldron? Where's Jumbotron? Where's Jumbotron? Jumbotron. Womp womp! We're listening to Jumbotron. Fine, we'll do Isle of Lost Skulls. Down to bed. Make it to midnight. How about run the block? Just wait, it's about to end. Wait, this is Loki a bop? I played Run the Block like twice. Spin the block? It's run the block. Alright, let's go back to the good soundtrack. Oh my god, not this, dude. I remember the trailer, no. Dude. Bro. Alright, see ya.
This is your dorm. A quiet place to prepare for a big day in Rico.
Audio test successful.
Audio test successful. Hey bro, what's the game? The game is currently building! It's been building for 27- It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! Oh my god, it worked! It worked! Okay, so... you should probably have some context, huh? Basically, the game is taking a century to build, and I got bored, so I just made a little thing, so when you send a chat message, I hear it, like, it'll do, like, text-to-speech of what you said, so I can actually, like, hear what you're saying without looking at my, phone. But the game is basically, it's gonna be a VR, kind of arcade-style run-from-monsters game with multiplayer and proximity chat, and yeah, it's... Why I'm making it is because I've been making, like, UGC platforms, kind of like Roblox for a while. I've been making a few, like, they're called Blockspace and Bean Runners. You haven't really heard of them. But, basically, I've just been making those for, like, the longest time. And I wanted to actually make, like, a game, because I haven't at all in, like, months, maybe even years, so... I thought, what a better, game idea than just to make a very basic Run for Monsters. This is the Nextbots game I've chosen, so... So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool. I'll sub so I can play it when it comes out. I'm a dev too for a Roblox storm chasing game.
That's cool. Yeah. I've been wanting to make like a tornado storm kind of storm chasing kind of thing for a bit now. DDS is surprisingly good, like, for a free tier. It's really good. Can probably just turn off and plug in my phone, since DTS can handle the rest. I should make it do a random voice every, like, for every user it assigns a random voice. That could be cool, so I could tell who's talking. It is like...
Yeah, the storms can be annoying. Also, the Rec Room music is a vibe.
I know, right? I love the Rec Room music. Rec Room OST is so good. I've memorized, like, the entire soundtrack, because sometimes I just stay in my dorm. I used to just stay in my dorm room, just while the radio's on, so I just slowly, subconsciously memorize every single track on the radio. It's fun. I miss Rec Room. Well, it's still alive in, like, Vanadium, or Stella, or Radium, or...
Heck yeah!
Yeah. I do miss actual Rec Room. It was very good. That's what got me into game development. Back in, what, 2023, I think? Yeah, 3 years ago, dang. Yeah, that's pretty much 2 years since I've actually made, like, a game in Unity. So, yeah.
Dared test the rocky waters of Unity. Lol.
What was Lexapage had a freaking stroke at the end. I assume you said lol. I said lol. Yeah. It's quite menacing with the amount of buttons. But I don't know. You get used to it like pretty darn quickly. It took me 2 tries to actually like learn Unity, but I eventually got it.
For some reason.
I don't know, it's the default Gemini voice, so I'm working on something that'll make it so every user gets their own voice, which will be random. Yeah, I found this 4-hour compilation of every single soundtrack. I didn't even know there were 4 hours worth of audio tracks inside a Rec Room. Like, that's just crazy. Like, the amount of music. It's crazy. I mean, the game is a decade old. So, it makes sense. Bro, when you hear this music...
Oh, okay, that's why it sounded familiar. I use a Google Pixel, so Gemini's baked into it.
Yeah. I use a Samsung, which means Gemini is also built into it, but, like, I don't really use it at all. Like, I either use Alexa or something else to do that stuff. The moment you hear the soundtrack, the 3D Charade soundtrack, you know you're about to either meet the dumbest people ever or the most racist people ever. There was no in between at all.
Truer words have never been spoken.
trying to fix the latency between you sending the message and the TTS reading it out, because at the moment there's like a solid 15 seconds, which is not very convenient for both you and me. It'll also give you your own voice, so yeah. Okay, send a message right now and try to count the seconds, like, between you sending it and then, it saying it out loud. Oh, I don't think that TTS is working right now. Because it's not reading out your... Okay. Just looked at my phone for the first time in a while. I asked you to, see how long it was in between, you sending the message and the TTS reading it out, but... looks like it's already crashed for some reason. Guess I'll also fix that too. Is the music too loud? I'll just turn it down a little bit. Unless I say not to. Alright. Turn it up a little.
At Falcon_WX says, nope.
Nope? Why'd it say it like that? Okay.
Alright, it's really late for me, so I'm ahead.
Alright, see you. Is there anybody else in the chat that would be willing to test it out? Because I kind of need to test out the different voices. There's 3 people watching, which means there's more than 3 people watching. Because YouTube. Hello! Oh, you're back. The game is building. It's been building for 37 minutes, almost 38 minutes. So, that's nice. Working on a TTS thing right now. Did you add anything? Yes, I added the next bots and their AI and stuff.
Anything you added while I was gone?
Yeah, I also added that. It's the TTS thing I was talking about. Send a chat message. I do need to test this out. TTS even working? Hello? Game on! Hello, TTS! Read out the message! I can't read, apparently. I can't really show you the next spots because it's building, but you can kind of see them down there. You have Quandale Dingle and Obama. Let me get the casting ready.
Lol.
And now it says it. It just completely just didn't say your other message. Casting. Verizon.meta confiscation. Whatever. Log in. Okay. I'm gonna switch over to this. It's kind of clipping into the text, but whatever. It is kind of annoying. I'll just move it up. Boop. Okay, is it sending? Is it actually like saying every single one of your messages, or is it like iffy? Okay, you said game on. Let's see how long until it says it. Okay. Yeah, voiceover isn't working right now. I stopped it, I'm working on it right now. Okay, I might have to try a different TTS thing. Because I'm running into rate limits. Okay, now send another message, see if it works. Yeah, I can only send 3 requests per minute. That sucks. That's like a request every 20 seconds. Request per minute, right? Yeah, requests per minute. Okay, I'm pretty sure we have to use something else. That sucks. Okay.
Game on.
Oh, okay. Pick a lane, freaking Google. Are you gonna rate limit me, or are you gonna not? What was that? After like 30 seconds? Come on. Let's see.
She's just lazy.
I'm trying to find another different thing for the TTS. To use Microsoft Edge text-to-speech. English.
Good day. Hi there. Hello there.
Yeah, that'll work, that'll work. It's still building, by the way. It's been building for 47 minutes and 8 seconds. What did you type in? You can recognize the UI. You are so fucking unemployed. You can recognize the ChatGPT UI from freaking 100 pixels. I was asking you what alternatives to the Gemini TTS I could use, because I'm not doing research in the Big 26. Most unemployed thing I've heard all day. This feature works best with the Microsoft Edge brush. Shut up! The joke. Oh wait, I have ChatGPT pulled up on my stream screen. My bad. Forgot I had that on there. I thought as I just read your chat messages. I forgot this is on my browser. I thought you were looking at my laptop screen down here, because it changes to like what my screen actually is, and it's just a thing. I guess I'm just gonna leave it on that. It's just an age thing. Anyway. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. After 3,050 seconds. Hold on. After 50 minutes, it finally completed the build. No. No. No, 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 please. Please. No. No, 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 no. Please let me have not forgotten that. Oh my god.
Audio test.
Audio test. Okay, I almost forgot to turn on MetaQuest support for the build. That took almost an hour to build. Because I'm not waiting another hour and doing another side quest. Thank god. There's nothing. The build finally completed. And I thought I messed up. Dun 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 ding dong. I miss Rec Room so much. Yeah, me too. If you have a PC, I suggest Vanadium, because it's 2023 Rec Room. It's pretty popular, I don't know. They have like 10 people in there at once, which is enough, in my opinion. If you're on Quest, I suggest Stella. They might be moving to 2023 soon. And everybody knows 2023 is the best year for Rec Room. Right before the brain rot. Right before the skibbity toilet shit. Down, down, down. Yeah, dang, that sucks, because you couldn't export your data either. Dang. I don't know how this part goes. I did not play a lot of paintball. I might have played like 20 games the entire time I was on Rec Room. And I've been playing Rec Room since 2019. I think I played for a second during 2017, but that was only for like maybe 2 days. But I was just looking for VR games where my dad was. let me get on it for a second. But then he realized it had voice chat, and yeah. I was,
Audio test from helper.
Audio test from helper. How old was I? That was 2017. I think I was 5. I think I was 5 when I first played Rekiro. Talk about an underaged account. I have a bunch of that freaking you know the cans of cheese? They're called Goshis. Or like kinda push down the tab and then cheese comes out the top. And I was using that. I was just eating some Cheez-Its and that, just put that on the top. It's so good. And I got a bunch of the cheese on my pants. So now I just got a yellow stain on my pants. Pause. That even I mean, whatever. Okay, send a message. It should be off. Send a message. Send a message. Send it. Send a message. Okay, let's see how long it takes.
Game in.
Game in. I mean, it works. I mean, I can barely understand it, but, hold on. I think it's using other languages' voices, so I'm gonna fix that. I think that's like maybe a Chinese or Korean voice, I don't know. Because it's clearly not English.
What was...
Yeah, that might be Russian or Ukrainian, I don't know. I'm fixing it to only do English runs, because... yeah. Alright, I'm gonna switch off this for a sec, because I'm gonna show... Okay, can Modrin stop randomly popping up? I think it's every time they push an update, it just randomly starts on my PC. So annoying. Box. Google. Okay, try to send a message now. It should be fixed. Should only use English voices. Why is TeamVR running? No.
Game on.
Yeah, that works. That works. That's gonna be your voice for the entirety. It's dependent on your username. So if you change your username, you change your voice.
I miss Coach.
Miss Coach, yeah. How is the latency? Is it like, how many seconds about?
Like 10 to 15 seconds, I think.
I mean, that's not bad. But like... I don't know, it works. I want to turn... spec on... beyond casting. Yep. So basically, I'm just gonna. What's Discord? I'm just gonna have this open. I'm gonna stream from my headset. You'll be able to hear me, but I won't be able to hear you. So, yeah. Alright, give me a second. I'll be able to read chat, it's just I won't be able to hear anything. Also, you guys won't be able to hear me very well. In fact, I'm just gonna mute myself. Be right back.
Will you be able to see chat? Okay.
Hello? Okay. I think you guys can hear me? I'm pretty sure you can. I don't know. Send a message in chat if you can hear me. It's my messy room. The goat cheese I was talking about. I can barely hear you.
I can barely hear you.
Quieter, and then boom. Okay, can you hear me a bit better now? You should still be able to hear the soundtrack.
Your voice is very muffled.
Okay. Better? Your voice is very muffled. Okay. You're better now. Cool.
Now I can hear you.
Get the APK. Ignore my room. It's a mess. My mom has told me to clean it multiple times, but I'm stubborn. This guy. Download. Going to copy the
Made EuroS better than my room.
Just did that with someone. Okay, now let's install it. Mobile VR station. Meh, it's better than my room. Still Rotwood. Yeah, I used Rot because I'm working on a game called Rotwood, and it looks like I used the exact same. It doesn't look like it. I used the exact same project and just stripped it. Oh my god. Yo. Okay.
Wait, you have a MD plushie? WT.
Where? Oh, go now! Yo, please! Go now! Yo!
Now your Unity was tweaking.
Okay, and then I can die. Cool. It's like there's a...
Run.
What's going on? I'm like being shoved into this part of the wall. I don't know why. I think my colliders are still like over where the next spots are, and they're pushing me around. Obama? I can see through the wall. Yo, please, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, please. No, wait, what? I'm stuck. Oh. Can I move now? I can move now. Kind of. I can ever so slightly move. I don't know where they are, and I don't know where I am. I can move only very, very slowly. I can kind of push off the walls a little bit. No, please. No, please. Leave me
LOL.
alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Please, Obama. No, not again. I give up.
Run.
Well, that was certainly an experience. It works! I mean, mostly. Kinda got stuck on the ground. So something is colliding with the, player. So let's switch main. Hello? Oh no, we don't want main, we want, where is this, and then this, there we go. Like that. So you can't see the, inspector menu all the way. There we go, okay.
EDA Euro S pretty good, just needs some tweaks.
Yeah. Motion enabled layers. Let's create a new layer just for the map. Map. Let's also modify the physics. Physics, settings, matrix. So, player cannot interact with anything except the map. Cool. That should work. Yeah, okay. So now, beta map, we should set this to map. So that should fix our, being stuck on the ground issue. What soundtrack is this? Because I don't remember this. Oh, this is a Crimson Tower. Yeah, I never beat Crimson Cauldron. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Crimson Cauldron was the only thing I didn't beat. Okay, I need to test out the movement before I get...
Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox.
I'm in Joe Biden's bathroom and watched him take a poop. My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen and I died.
Okay. I still cannot move. Okay, it's so this is its own standalone game, or is it part of
Tried to eat my butt during ramen. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
So is this
I have been
EDA Euro
arrested for
S on
multiple
standalone
crimes,
game, or is it
including
like a part of the
battery on a
game like
police
a
officer.
real attack? WT.
This is going to be a standalone game, but don't know why. Oh wait, hold on. I think I might know why. If we do player right hand, this right here needs to be 0.34? That should actually fix the locomotion. Should. Oh, hold on. I need to set the player locomotion collision thing. Yeah, it's the what's up guys, Quandale Dingle here audio. And then it's also the
Now that
Obama.
audio is funny, LMAO.
I already read the message. And it's the Obama beatbox audio. It's from the Rec Room Gmod Nextbots game. It's literally a direct copy. I can probably stop looking at chats because I have the TTS. Let's see. That should fix that, and now we just need to go into player. Gorilla player. Map. Not default. Just map.
Prepare for takeoff in 3, 2, 1.
TTS is rage baiting.
Okay, what the fuck is this?
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to
The camera
beatbox.
in Joe Biden's bathroom and watched him take a poop. My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my
What the fuck was that? That was some intermission time type shit.
and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer. I dumped boiling water on a prison guard's head. My goofy off friend Jamarius Quangledangle tried to What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. Arrested for multiple crimes,
What is going
including
on?
battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world. Henry Bartholomew Dinglenut.
You wanna listen to the full audios? Here, I got you.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world.
What is going on?
Greetings, Quandale.
Good question.
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of yeah.
So peak. Anyway, overstimulation aside, there's a bug at hand. And I think I might know why. For some reason, I think it's a quirk with the Gorilla script I'm using right now. But I think the hands need to be on different layers. Why are the hands on the map layer? You know, that would probably cause the issue. When the hands are colliding with the hands. Ho 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 ho. There we go, look, this is normal now. Normal gorilla tag movement for once. We just gotta die and make sure we don't get dragged.
Watched him take a poop. My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen.
No, I'm still getting pushed around. Like, look, I'm getting dragged backwards. So I don't think I'm getting fully teleported. I think that's my issue. Let's see if I can fix that. Let's see. Teleporter.
Try checking the hitboxes/collisions.
Yeah. Probably do that. I'm also gonna try to fix it with this. I also want to make it dark, so the flashlight actually means something. I also need to expand the flashlight's angle, because it kinda sucks right now. Something like that, I think, would be good. Trying to keep it balanced, you know? Hello? Hello? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Where? Hello? Hello? It's not, Unity isn't Unity. Hello? Bro, let me in! Let me in! I know. Hello?
You're in a dark void.
You're a re in a dark void. I guess just had a fucking stroke. Hello? Can you let me in now? Please? Please? Can I come in? Let me in! Let me in, please! Oh, there we go. Thank you. Can you see it? Pretty sure you can see it. Hold on. Oh yeah, you can see it. Good. Anyway, I made it dark. Cool. So it's dark now. Yay. It did ask for my microphone when I joined it, which means
I can see
VoiceChat
it.
probably works. So, what do we do now? I guess that should be fixed. Okay, remember how it took 50 minutes to build last time? Watch how fast it builds right now, like the second time you build. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, well, there's a counter built into the progress bar that you can't see, so I'm just gonna use that. It's at 25 seconds right now. Okay, it's taking a bit longer than 45 seconds, but you get the point. It doesn't take 50 minutes to build every time. Still go. Does TDS work now? Messages there. Can't rely on it yet. Okay, you haven't sent any messages.
What do you think about all of the Rec Room revivals?
They're cool, but like, I feel like they're spreading the community too thin. Because like, there are like so many. Like, I'm gonna move to Radium the millisecond 2023 comes out. Hold on, my mom's calling me. What? Okay, give me like 10 minutes. I gotta go in like 10 minutes. Cause gotta get off of here because my mom is decided. Oh, yeah, see, it's done building. Look. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. But come on. Upload, file upload. 2. Alright, same deal. I won't be able to hear you. You'll be able to hear me. Yeah.
Anything else you or Eurori going to add to the game?
Probably a lot more, but this is just a test. I just want to get the space working before I start working on the rest of the game.
Target acquired.
I kinda Euro T hear you, by the way. Your sound is off, by the way.
Shield team is nearing victory.
Oh, they can't hear me. Wait, they couldn't hear me. My bad. Yeah, no. I just. Yeah, you can hear me on the live stream now. I just added the music. The next spots are coming, so uh-oh. Okay, I'm sending the game through box, so they can hear you. Okay, this is gonna take a minute because they want to play, so I'm gonna. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Anybody, to anybody that's new, calc means calculator.
We can hear you now.
Straight ball. Straight ball. For anybody new here, calc means calculator. Yeah, I'm sending the box link. Now, be careful, because if you die, you kind of just, like, can't really move very well. Basically. It's Fun Monkey Horror with Nextbots. Can you get Nova in the call? Okay. They can't hear you again. I sent it through box! We'll have to start it at, like, the exact same time, because, like, yeah. The game. It's also called Rotwood, because, it's a template. Rotting wood. I am able every other day. Bro, the people watching the live stream are probably so confused right now. I'm just schizophrenic. I'm talking to air. I am looking at chat every now and then, so I think everyone left. Whatever. Nah. Can you get Nova in the call? Okay, you're joining? Let me join. I'm loading it. Loading it up.
The Euroam's still here.
What's a human being? What's a way to just it? Okay, I'm in a server. Where are you? Dude? Load in! Where are you? I don't see you! I hear Obama! I hear my former president, Barack Obama! I now hear Quandale. I think we're in the same server. I'm not sure it's working. So. Every other day I'm wondering. They're not fast enough. Are they running around for you, or are they chasing you? Huh? Yeah, are they running away from you, or are they chasing you? Yo, shut up! I'm trying to ask him a question! Bro! Shush! Shush! Oh my holy yaff! Are they chasing you or running away? Okay, so that means we're in the same server. I'm just pretty sure it's broken. Like, you can't see other players. Bucks APK? Alright, well, I'm gonna end the live, cause they just got on. So, hello? Hello, Obama?